They done started the race. They done started the race.
Go Blair.
Go Blair, go Caira.
Don't get him, Blair.
Oh, the little bitty Blair.
Uh-oh, there's people in the way. Let me get up. Let me get up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Blair.
Let's go, Caira!
On this track, we currently have our 9-year-old girls. The district record was set in 2018 by Alea Stewart of Greater Houston with a time of 2:33.97. Again, the district record is 2:33.97. And currently on the track, we have Mackenzie Lee, United Speed, Sierra Williams, H-Town Hurricanes, IDE of Pearland Speed, Zion Purdy of Atascocita Titans, Aubrey Thomas, Pearland Speed, Zoe Reese, Hempstead Track Club, Blair Love of H-Town Hurricanes, Kaylee Cunningham, Max Velocity, Arabella O, Pearland Express, Candace Evans, Greater Houston, Eden Smith, The Wings, Nyla Lashley, Pearland Express, and Aurora Acosta with Pearland Express.